Well, let's go across to Zafar, who joins us from Srinagar. Zafar, once again, trouble at the line of control, and this time it seems a Pakistani soldier has been killed by Indian troops.
Yes, indeed, it's a serious matter in the sense that this Pakistani soldier had crossed into the Indian territory. That's what the Indian army is saying. Yesterday, they said that this was an infiltration bid and one of the infiltrators was killed. Now, what it seems that it was the Pakistani soldier who had crossed into the Indian territory, and then there was this firefight between him and the Indian soldiers on the ground. 2 Jawans were told were injured. They have been shifted to the command hospital. Earlier on, Pakistan had been saying that one of its Jawans had inadvertently crossed the line of control into the Indian territory and they were negotiating for his release. But now they have agreed to the return of the body. They have in fact requested for the return of the body. But the question is that how come this Pakistani soldier entered into the Indian territory and fired at the Indian soldiers? Clearly, it could not have been just an inadvertent crossing. Then perhaps he could have been caught and handed back to the Pakistani forces. So there's not much clarity on this. But what's clear is that Pakistani soldier did in fact cross the line of control into the Indian territory where he was killed in the firefight.
Right, and Zafar, interestingly, it seems the Pakistani army is asking for the body to be returned. We usually don't see that, and it seems that the Indian side will be handing over the body.
Yes, Pakistani side has been asking for the body now, but earlier on they were saying that it's a case of inadvertent crossing and these things do happen at the line of control and they were negotiating for his release. Now that they are asking for the body, so it's quite clear that they are asking for the body of their soldier who crossed into the Indian side. Remember, this is the same area, the Poonch Rajouri sector, where we had this massive escalation some days ago, where 2 Jawans of the Indian army were killed. Their bodies, their heads, they were beheaded. So clearly there was a lot of tension in this area, and now this incident is perhaps going to escalate that tension even more. Gargi?